Welcome to this week's Thai Kitchen, the series from my Thai cookbook. Today I'm going to make a beef tenderloin with Panang curry paste. And the ingredients you will need for that beautiful dish are as follows: beef tenderloin, garlic, ginger, chilies, shallots, lemongrass, sugar, shrimp paste, Thai fish sauce, eggplants, coriander, coconut milk, basil, oil, and raw peanuts. Right, first thing up, the beef needs to be seared off. And what I've done is coated most of my Panang curry on my beef already to marinate it. And what I want to do is just brown it off. Right. Just let that fry off on all sides. Give it a nice little colour. Keep turning them over like so. Right. Take this out. Ginger, garlic, chilies, shallots, lemongrass, tap more oil, give it a little stir around. Wow, I can already smell the aromas on these, and I've only just put them in. Now, my favourite stinker of a stonker of a paste, Thai shrimp paste. And this is as smelly as a stinky, smelly French cheese, the Asian equivalent. And although it stinks and it really does pump the house out, once it's roasted, it gives an amazing aroma to your dish. Just let them infuse for a while. Remainder of the curry paste coconut milk, put back the beef, bring that to the boil and let it simmer for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Adding the eggplant, sugar, that will off balance the spice and the salt from the Thai fish sauce. Already smells fantastic, folks. Absolutely wonderful. Right, gonna let that simmer a bit more to cook the eggplant. Coriander, lots of basil, and Thai fish sauce. Give that a mix. I seem to have lost my hat. I'm trying to protect my head from the sun. Wonderful. Oh. peanuts. So there you have it, folks. Thai beef with Panang curry sauce. What a delightful little dish. Look at that. Right, my favourite part, as always, the tasting. I am back in Bangkok, folks. Wow, absolutely fantastic. Oh. All these recipes are from my Thai cookbook, which has over 100 recipes in it, and stories of my life in Thailand with over 60, 70 bike trips that I did over a 6-year period, and stories from the trips that I did on the road, because I learned most of these dishes while I was on the road in Thailand from the local folk. And I have my own little twist here and there. Every chef does. And these are great. I thoroughly enjoy doing my Thai food. Brings back many, many lovely memories, and some not so lovely as well. I have stories of my life as a chef there, dealing with, corrupt suppliers and other things. It's all in there. Check it out. Don't forget to subscribe. There are new videos every week. Click over my shoulder by subscribing, for subscribing, to subscribing. I just want to eat my curry. Right, folks, thanks for watching. Bon appetit.